Hello, in this video we are going to see a very interesting tool that has been implemented in the Smart Home SEC application for VESTA system. This tool consists of facilitating us as installers, the installation of the detectors and whether they are PERCM or normal PIR, and we can also see the field of view and the field of detection of the same in the same application with augmented reality. We are going to give to the menu, we enter in IR installation wizard, and here we select the model of our detector. It is compatible with any model of VESTA sensor, both for indoor and outdoor. In my case I am going to select the 862 and here in the installation mode we select corner or horizontal plane. That is to say, how we are going to install it. As you know, all VESTA detectors come with the support for both corner and wall, therefore, I am going to select corner and then it will ask me to scan the area where I am going to install it so that it can analyze more or less all the angles of the installation. We select the point where we are going to install it, in this case in this corner. As you can see, in the tool we see a red dot. We simply click on it and immediately the detector is installed. We can move perfectly and see how this sensor is being installed. As you can see, there is a green and blue line that is making a sweep that indicates the detection angle of this sensor. Also on the right, as you can see, we have the mounting height. This is very interesting because we can install it at 2 meters 20, this particular model, or even lower it to 1.80 meters. This obviously influences the angle of detection, so we can simply move the sensor and see if it is going to cover all the angles. In this case you can see that in this case it is not covering much of the plant. I can lower it a little bit more and it would be covering the plant perfectly, which is the detection angle. I can raise it further if I wish and here I will have a much wider detection range. I am going to move so that you can see the whole detection angle that this sensor has. It is a very interesting tool and it will make the installation of the sensors much easier.